morning everyone! Come along with me for day one in the life of a Cambridge neuroscientist. This is actually my first week back at the PhD after a few months in a government internship, so it feels really good to be back at my research unit. And I've even got a present waiting on my desk from my new office buddy. How cute are these pandas? Sadly, my plants are not doing quite as well, but David Attenborough's still on the lookout. I kick off the day by sorting through my job list, which at the moment is a lot of writing chapters for my thesis, submitting papers to journals, and applying to grants and fellowships. I'm actually only a couple of months off submitting my PhD, so no time to get distracted. Ignore the tiny platypus. Okay, also ignore the cute rubber duck. Okay, also ignore the cute little green dragon called Philippe. No distractions! I then have my most important choice of the day, which is the mug for tea.
So, fun fact, I actually did a poll last year at the graduate retreat for the best mug at the unit, and the winner was the I Love Spreadsheets mug, because we're a unit full of nerds who all like Excel.
I then spend the rest of the morning working on some smaller jobs, like practicing for a talk.
Pleasure today to be talking you through a lot of my PhD work, which looks at apathy beyond the cost-benefit analysis.
After that, it's time for a spot of lunch in the Great British Summertime before I spend the afternoon working on writing up one of my papers on the neurochemicals responsible for apathy, which is super interesting, and I say that unironically. I really do find this topic really fascinating. Then before I know it, it's 5:30 and time for a quick change as I'm off to a formal dinner. This is a summer camp that I did some online lectures for last month, so it's really nice to meet the students in person in Cambridge. I had some lovely food and spent basically the whole time talking about what it's like to be doing a PhD to these undergraduate students. I hope it was helpful, but by the time I get home it's 9 p.m, so just enough time for a call with my awesome parents before I call it a day.
And that's it for day one, but join me again tomorrow for day two and check out the full video at the end of the week. Bye.